Radio-Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 3:30 p.m. Saturday, December 15th for tonight, Sunday, and Sunday night. City of Toronto, for tonight, cloudy. Periods of rain beginning this evening. Risk of freezing rain over northern sections late this evening and overnight. Wind east 30 kilometers per hour, becoming light after midnight. Temperatures rising to +3 by morning. For Sunday, periods of rain. Wind becoming south 20 kilometers per hour early in the afternoon. High